In this video, I will be sharing with you how you can use RemitBee to send money to Philippines. So with that said, hit the link in the description below. It will take you to RemitBee's website. Now, once you are on the website, select sign up. Once you're on the website, provide your email address and password and select sign up. I already have an account, so I'm going to scroll down just to the bottom and select login, right? So here I'm just going to log in with my existing account. Now what you're going to do is select send. Now you can do this both from the mobile app or the website. The steps are pretty much the same. On this page initially, you'll be seeing the option to add a recipient. So here I'm going to select add new recipient for you to see what it looks like. So from a drop down, you'll select your country, which is Philippines, and then select continue. Here you have the option to do a bank deposit, cash pickup, or even a mobile top up. So for this video, we're going to select bank deposit and select continue. So on this page, you're going to complete the recipient's information, right? Very straightforward. Select the bank and select the bank account number and the address of the recipient and select continue. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to step back and select my existing recipient, which is on file. So here my recipient is a US account, right? But the steps is the exact same. So here you're going to specify the amount that you want to send. The minimum amount is $10. And it will give you an estimate how much money the recipient will receive. And then you're going to select the receiving method and select continue. Select your purpose of transfer. I'm going to select family expense and then select continue. You can choose to pay with a debit card or e-transfer. And the third option is direct withdrawal, right? But I prefer e-transfer. So I'm going to select e-transfer and select next. Now the important step here is if you're sending via e-transfer, in the message to your recipient on the e-transfer on your bank side, you want to include your email address for your RemitBee account. And once you do that and send the money within say 5 minutes, the money will be basically in your account, right? So here I'm going to select continue. And then you'll just basically review your transaction and hit confirm and send. So that's pretty much it for now, guys. And that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.